In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps to your Squarespace website 2025. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable map on your page that helps visitors find you fast. First, open your Squarespace site and head to the page where you want the map to appear. This is often your contact page, but you can place it anywhere. Enter editing mode by clicking Edit at the top of the page. You'll see the page outline highlight, which means you're ready to make changes. Next, add a new section so your map has its own space on the page. Click Add Section, then choose Add Blank. A blank section gives you full control over layout and spacing. If you prefer a specific background color or want more breathing room around the map, you can adjust section styles later. Inside that blank section, click Add Block. In the Block Picker's search bar, type Map. Select the map block to insert it. A placeholder map appears right away, along with its settings panel. Click the map to open settings. In the location field, type your business address or a landmark visitors will recognize. Then select the correct result from the suggestions. You can drag the map to fine-tune the framing and use the zoom controls until it shows the area exactly how you want. If there's a title or description field for the pin, add a short label like your business name and helpful details such as suite number or entrance instructions. Keep it concise, so it looks tidy on the map. Now switch to the Design tab in the map settings. Choose a map style that matches your brand, light, dark, or something more neutral. Adjust the marker color if that option is available so it stands out clearly. Set the map size and aspect ratio to fit your layout. If you want a wide, immersive look, increase the map's width in the section and consider reducing padding for a full bleed feel. You can also tweak corners and shadows if your template supports them for a more polished finish. Preview how it looks on mobile and ensure the map remains legible and easy to tap. When everything looks right, click Save to publish your changes. Give the page a quick refresh and test the map by clicking the pin to confirm it opens correctly and the address is accurate. That's it. Your Google Map is now embedded on your Squarespace site, styled to match your brand